So what am I doing standing on top of my RV in 25, 30 mile an hour winds? Well, because she's going topless. Yeah, so we're driving down the road on a Sunday. If you can recall and you've been following along, last Sunday we were driving down the road, and that's when we had the tire blowout and Geico couldn't come and get us, and we didn't have Good Sam, and we were stranded, and you know the whole tire situation. So now today is Sunday. We're driving down the road. We have Good Sam now. Well, we're driving down the road and something else happens. Yeah, so Dakota has decided to go topless on us. So we're driving down I-90 west in South Dakota, and we hit some pretty good winds. We'll probably winds about 20-25, where we must have got a gust hit us from the left hand side, about a 40 mile an hour gust, and it peeled back the top. So this whole corner peeled back, this whole edge, which I now have it snapped back in. Let me see if I can get a close up of this without falling over the edge. But so this metal trim right here, this was popped out from behind this metal trim. You see right here where it fits, it was popped out down this whole side, all the way down to the back, was snapped out of the track. And when it snapped out, the wind was pushing this whole fiberglass piece like a big sail. It was folded over all the way up against the air conditioners. You'll see the right here on the skylight over the bathroom, it's cracked all the way in. So I have to take this up tonight. But like I said, this whole thing was just folded all the way back, this whole left side. Luckily, the only piece that broke off was, well, we got a crack right here in the fiberglass. The fiberglass is ripped right here. And you see how thin this fiberglass is. And it's just laying right on top. So we got this whole piece that was fitting down in this track all the way up to the corner there, missing across here. And it's not that big of an area. I would say probably maybe 1.5 feet, 2 foot across. And then this little piece that sticks out here. But this wood, I mean, this is the only wood that's up here. And this piece here, you can see it's thin. It's only like that. And then right underneath that is my styrofoam. So these are big styrofoam panels. And that's all there is. Big styrofoam panel with this little thin laminate wood. And then thin fiberglass. I'm assuming that's fiberglass. Looks like fiberglass. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's fiberglass. So, I think I'm gonna stop driving on Sundays because when we had the flat last Sunday and then we got Good Sam said, oh yeah, we can help on Sunday. You should have us. We have roadside assistance on Sunday, so we signed up. Well, today this happens and we call them and nope, no one to come tow you, no one to come help. So again, I limped along down about 3 miles to the next exit, and luckily there was a little RV park. So if you look behind me, it's this little RV park that I'm staying in. Winds are still kicking about 20, but luckily I got that whole left side snapped back in. It snapped back into its track, so it's not flapping in the wind anymore. And I'll try to put a tarp over this piece that's missing up here for now until the adjuster comes out. So the insurance adjuster will come out tomorrow on Monday and take a look at it and see what we have to do to get it fixed. see what's covered, what's not covered, all that good stuff. Sorry about the shaking. The wind is blowing the phone all over the place. But, I'm gonna get down off the RV, get the tarp and everything, try to get this thing covered up. I bought some white gorilla tape and all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna try to tape this hole up as best I can to get me through the night, and hopefully I can make some type of little repairs to it once the adjuster's here and I can get on back on the highway. I'm actually 230 miles from my final destination for my summer job, so if I can just make it 230 more miles down the road, I'll be extremely happy. I can park it for 4 or 5 months and get everything repaired the way it should be. So another exciting day. So we'll try to get the top back on Dakota and see if we can get on the road.